never tried the coconut one. So this is the first time. Coconut ice cream potong. Oh my god. It's already deformed. Already deformed. Ayan, naano na siya. Natunaw na siguro to. Ilit. Why? Oh my god. A lot of taste on... Parang hindi ko na malalas. Not... I think coconut is not so taste like coconut. Or because I ate a lot of already. Coconut is not taste like... Yeah. I think coconut is a little bit... tasteless. Or maybe because I ate chocolate. So now let's start on the mango.
Oh, you're so funny.
So guys, the mango got the piece of mango inside. Also the strawberry got, but it's a little bit only like sobrang liit. It's too small. But this one a really big chunk of mango. You have a big chunk of mango. The mango is a bit sour. So it really tastes like mango.
Alright,
There's a big chunk.
alright. Okay. Alright.
Channel, this is Bang, and wow, yes guys, so let's try. For today we will try, this is the Malaysia, I think Malaysia product. Later I will wrongly say, but yeah, this is from Malaysia. Diki lang ole, ayan. So this is Happy Ice. So ito yung ice potong nila guys, and Happy Ice. So they called it ice potong. Ayan, ice potong. So ice potong. So we will try all the flavors we have in the shop downstairs or on the shop nearby here. So this we will try the mango. We will try mango, corn, then we have chendol. So chendol guys here is like, parang ano sa halo-halo, mixed, yeah, it's like, they have beans, yung chendol yan, chendol, parang siyang mixed with milk, you know. And durian, we have durian. So, we have chocolate, what's this, strawberry, what else, red bean guys, red bean, what? Coconut. Lakas mo. Coconut daw. So, coconut yan guys. Ano pa? Strawberry, she showed already. Ano pa? And jackfruit. Ayan, jackfruit guys. Langka. So guys, ito yung, this is their version of ice drop. So, yung ice drop sa atin is ganito. So, titingnan muna natin una ang jackfruit. Yan. So guys, nako. So, mabibili nyo lang to 1 RM isa. Yan. So, tikman natin. So, hahatiin na lang natin siya guys. Kasi, hindi naman natin maubos yung isang ano kasi ang dami. Okay, this is it. Yahoo! Wow. Wow. Lasang-lasang ano talaga to? Langka.
Wow!
Really tastes like jackfruit. It also tastes like jackfruit. Na hindi siya puro tamis. It's not only sugar with taste. Now guys, let's try corn. Wow, corn. Yes. So this is how it looks like. Medyo putla siya. Yeah. So, again, we will have. Titigman niya. What do you think? Opinion? It's good. Good. Good daw. Ano to? Few words lang. One word, ano siya? Commentator. One word commentator. Now that's it. Corn. How does it taste?
Para sa mais talaga.
Tastes like really corn. Okay. Ice potong. They call here ice cream potong. Ice potong. But normally when we buy, we just say rice potong. Potong here guys is putol. Kumbaga, isang putol ng ice cream. Parang ganun yun. Ice potong. So, or a cut of ice cream. A piece of ice cream. Parang ganun, no? Kasi a potong is like a cut or a piece. Ganun.
Yeah!
Lasang ano talaga? Corn. Siyempre, alam mo mag-lasot ng chocolate, no? Masarap ng ipin. Now, let's try the chocolate. This is the chocolate, guys. Ice cream Potong chocolate. This is product of Happy Ice. So, ang binibenta talaga ng Happy Ice is yellow. Ayan. Chocolate flavor, guys. Oh my god. It's nice. Wow. It's a wow.
Wow!
It's nice, guys. It tastes like cocoa.
Wow!
Cocoa. It's like a bitter, a little bit bitter. And again, it's not so sweet. They make the flavor really tasteful. Right? So, 3 down. Coconut. I'm excited with the coconut one. I never tried the coconut one. So this is the first time. Coconut ice cream Potong. Oh my god. It's already deformed. Already deformed. Ayan, naano na siya. Natunaw na siguro to. Oh my god. A lot of taste on... Parang hindi ko na malalas. I think coconut, it's not so taste like coconut. Or because I ate a lot of it already.
Oh no!
Coconut is not taste like... Yeah. I think coconut is a little bit... tasty. Or maybe because I ate chocolate first before this one. Then chocolate is a bit bitter. But it does smell coconut. It does smell coconut. Okay, now we have coconut. Wow, now we have strawberry. This is strawberry. Strawberry ice cream Potong. Oh, this is how it looks like. It's like mauve color. Let's try the strawberry. Wow! It's too sour like strawberry. It's not sweet. It really tastes like strawberry. Very nice, right? The strawberry is really good.
Yahoo!
It really smells and tastes like strawberry. We eat last with the durian because, you know. So let's try the mango. Mango. Ice cream Potong. Oh my god. It's ice cream Potong. Wow. It's a wow for me. So guys, the mango got the piece of mango inside. Also the strawberry got, but it's a little bit only like sobrang liit. It's too small. But this one a really big chunk of mango. You have a big chunk of mango?
Yahoo!
The mango is a bit sour. So, it really tastes like mango.
Oh, you're so funny.
So what happened is the mango is a bit sour. And then this one is a bit sour like strawberry. They are flavorful. It's sweet, yeah. But the first you will taste is the flavor. It's flavor. Okay. Now we will go to chendol. This is chendol, guys. So chendol is trivia. So I'll show you what is a chendol. So it got a red bean. You know, guys, when we also have ice drop in the Philippines, like the red bean here, this one. So this is like a halo-halo here. They have gulaman, something like that. Then they have ice. Then they have this red bean. They put some etc. there. So it's like halo-halo.
Wow!
The chendol really tastes good. This is also flavorful. Of course, it's got the red bean. You know, they make sure the flavor of each flavor, like strawberry, mango, it really does, you know, you will taste first, not the sweetness, but the flavor. Wait, okay. Let's try the red bean. Ice Potong. Ice cream Potong. Of course, it looks like chendol because it got red bean. But whole of this inside got red bean. Unlike the chendol, only on top. Wow. It's, you know, normally this is our favorite on ice drops in the Philippines because The red bean is very flavorful, right? And got buko. Remember the tawag natin doon is ice buko. Not oh my god. So, what do you think? On the chendol. Good. Good. Everything is good. Wow.
So guys, the red bean really tasteful. It's a lot of beans inside and it tastes so good. And unfortunately my sounds got problem. So I'll just tell you here what I've tasted a while ago. This is really nice. I think this is my favorite so far from what I've tasted. And lastly guys, we would try the durian. Durian flavor. My daughter doesn't like the durian, especially the smell of it, but I really love durian. And this one, I open it and it's a bit melting already because maybe it's too much exposed on the fan already, but I still ate it,
Yeah.
but my daughter doesn't want it. So this is I think my first choice is durian.
Wow.
Because it's more tasteful and it's not so sweet also. And I think it does like flavorful, like it's like you really eat a durian and you really smell a durian. So this is really nice kind of ice cream.
Nice taste. Oh my god. So this is all the flavor of this ice cream potong or the ice cream cone here in Malaysia. So in the Philippines, you call it ice drop or paano ba natin, I forget how we call it. But I know it's ice drop, right? Ice drop or ice popsicle. So their popsicle is like this. It's really a stick. It's like an ice cream on a stick. And okay, top 3. Your top 3. Top 3. The most you like. Strawberry. Langka. Strawberry, jackfruit, and chocolate. So the one she chose first is strawberry. Number 2 is jackfruit and chocolates. So for me, my number 1 is strawberry, jackfruit, and chocolate, right? To me, I think the one that I like most, I think durian. Durian, strawberry, then red bean. Yeah, durian, strawberry, and red bean. Yeah, because their taste is very taste that you would remember, you know. Ang really sedap, memang sedap. Yang rasanya tuh tak manis sangat. Ya, tak manis sangat dia. Cukup rasanya. Flavornya tuh, flavor memang lala. Nice. Really nice. And the last, which one is the less? The less that you choose? Durian. Of course lah, yeah, durian. He don't like the durian, but I think the less for me is the coconut. It doesn't taste like really a coconut. Unlike to Philippines, our ice drop is got a coconut strips that really flavorful. But here, I think the coconut is a little bit tasteless. But all of this is really good. This is a really the coconut is really nice. It does smell coconut, but I think for me, it's the less for me. All of these are really good. So we have 9 flavor, guys. This is only for 1 RM, and you already experienced a lot of it. Thank you for joining us, and we enjoy eating, of course. I hope you enjoy watching. And see you in our next video. This is when Nas, Nas, and thank you so much. Spread love and peace. God bless us all, and peace be with you everyone. Bye-bye.